is a day filled with smiles, dreams, and celebrations because it's Children's Day, the day that reminds us that every child is a miracle, a hope, and a promise for tomorrow. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam beautifully said, dreams are not what you see in sleep, but those that do not let you sleep. So we are the dreams of our nation and let's aim high to reach our goals. Music washes away the dust of everyday life. Today, to add the beauty to this morning, I invite our school talented singers for a melodious welcome song on this auspicious function. Every program becomes meaningful when it begins with a heartfelt welcome. I now invite Patrick Thot of Grade 7B to present the welcome speech.
To all, happy Children's Day. We are thrilled to welcome you all to today's Children's Day celebration. Today we have gathered here to honor the joy, curiosity and creativity of every child. Children's Day is a special occasion to recognize the importance of childhood and the role it plays in shaping the future. It's a day to celebrate the laughter, dreams and potential of every child. A warm welcome to our respected Principal Mr. Basavaraj Kadimani sir to today's Children's Day function. We are honored to have you here with us. Welcome you sir. May I call upon Tanishka Desai of grade 7 to present a greeting card as a token of love and respect. Thank you Tanishka. We welcome you sir. Thank you Tanishka. A big welcome to our beloved teachers to today's Children's Day function. We are grateful for your guidance and support. Welcome you teachers. I extend my warm welcome to all my lovely friends to today's Children's Day function. Welcome your friends. A warm welcome to our hardworking non-teaching staff to today's Children's Day celebration. Welcome you all. Last but not least, once again I welcome you all to today's Children's Day function. Thank you.
Those warm and refreshing words of welcome. Children are like birds in gardens and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured as they are the future of the nation and citizens of tomorrow. As we honor the great souls whose wisdom inspires us, we now perform the portrait puja. So I request our beloved Principal Basavaraj Kadimani sir and respected educators to kindly come forward and perform the photo puja of Jawaharlal Nehru. Children are not things to be molded, but people to be unfolded. Let us now listen to the bright thoughts of our student. I invite Sri Magdum of grade 8B to share her thoughts on this special occasion.
बचपन की मुस्काने में सच्ची खुशी छुपी होती है। चलो इस बाल दिवस पर फिर वही मासूमियत याद करें। क्या कहते आप सभी को सुप्रभात। मंच पर उपस्थित आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य, सभी सम्मानित शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आज का दिन बहुत खास है क्योंकि हम सब यह बाल दिवस मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। सबसे पहले मैं हमारे प्यारे दोस्तों को इस खास दिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ। 14 नवंबर पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी का जन्मदिन है और हम इसे बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं क्योंकि चाचा नेहरू जी को बच्चों के प्रति असीम प्रेम और उनकी शिक्षा के प्रति संपन्न हम सभी के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत है। उन्होंने बच्चे को हमेशा प्रेरणा और उनकी शिक्षा के प्रति संपन्न हम सभी के लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत है। उन्होंने हमेशा हमेशा बच्चों को देश का भविष्य कहा है और उनका मानना था कि आज के बच्चे ही कल के नेता बनेंगे। दोस्तों, इस दिन में आप सभी से कुछ कहना चाहूँगी। आप में एक हर व्यक्ति में कुछ खास है, एक अनोखी पहचान, एक अनमोल गुण। चाचा नेहरू जी का सपना था कि हर बच्चा अपनी विशेषताओं को समझकर और आगे बढ़ने के लिए अवसर पा सके। आपके सपने, आपकी उम्मीदें ही देश का भविष्य बनाएगी। आप हमेशा अपने आत्मविश्वास को बनाए रखें और एक अच्छे इंसान बनने के लिए और कदम बढ़ाते रहिए। याद रखिए कि सफलता केवल अच्छे अंकों से नहीं बल्कि अच्छे व्यक्तित्व से मिलती है। यही गांधी जी का संदेश था, यही हमारा उद्देश्य भी होना चाहिए। जय हिंद। थैंक
Dear sister, your words truly remind us why this day is special. Teachers are like candles, they burn themselves to give light to others. As a token of love for our children, our teachers will now present a special song on behalf of this wonderful occasion.
ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಮಾತ ಕೇಳಿ ಓ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಜಾಣರಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೊನ್ನ ಹೂಗಳೇ. ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿತವಿರಲೇಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿತವಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಜನ ಮೆಚ್ಚುವಂತೆ ನೀವಿರಬೇಕು. ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಮಾತ ಕೇಳಿ ಓ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಜಾಣರಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೊನ್ನ ಹೂಗಳೇ. ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿತವಿರಲೇಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿತವಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಇರಲಿ, ನಾಳೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಜನ ಮೆಚ್ಚುವಂತೆ ನೀವಿರಬೇಕು. ಹಿರಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರವವು ನಿಮಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಗುರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವ ತುಂಬಿರಬೇಕು. ಯಾರಲ್ಲೂ ದ್ವೇಷ ಇರಬಾರದು, ಗೆಳೆಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಪ್ರೇಮ ತುಂಬಿರಬೇಕು. ಬಡವರನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುವ ಗುಣವಿರಬೇಕು, ಯಾರಲ್ಲೂ ನೋವು ತರಬಾರದು. ಸುಳ್ಳ ನುಡಿ ಆಡದಿರಿ, ಕೆಟ್ಟವರ ಸೇರದಿರಿ, ಬಾಳುವ ರೀತಿಯ ಕಲೀರಿ. ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಮಾತ ಕೇಳಿ ಓ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಜಾಣರಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೊನ್ನ ಹೂಗಳೇ. ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿತವಿರಲೇಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿತವಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಮಾತ ಕೇಳಿ ಓ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಜಾಣರಾಗಿ ಬಾಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಹೊನ್ನ ಹೂಗಳೇ. ಮಾತಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿತವಿರಲೇಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿತವಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
That was wonderful. Thank you, dear teachers, for such a heart-touching performance. Moving on to the next, we have words of guidance and care. I call upon Sangeet Sir to deliver the speech.
Good morning, everyone. So first of all, I wish you all my dear children happy Children's Day. Respected principal sir, staff, and my dear students. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate Children's Day and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru birthday celebration. So Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru born on November 14, 1889 in Allahabad. So now it is renamed as a Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh. So Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru learned his pre-primary school in India, and he went to London to study his degree in Trinity College, Cambridge, London. So after he came back to India, he joined National Indian Congress Committee, because that time British are ruling. So this Indian National Congress Party is fighting against the British rule. He has become a key leader in Indian National Congress Committee, and he fought with the British rules and he met Gandhiji, and he is inspired by him, his rules and his vision, his movements. Gandhiji and Nehru both together fight against the British rules in Quit India also. So after India got freedom on August 15, 1947. So that time, Indian government announced Nehru was elected as the first Prime Minister of India. He served 16 years as a Prime Minister of India. So in his Prime Minister career, he focused on Indian education development, social development and industrial development. So after death of Nehru, Indian government declared that on 14th November, to commemorate Nehru, 14th November celebrated as Children's Day. Earlier that, India was celebrating November 20th as Children's Day, World Children's Day. So Nehru always saying that students are like a bird. They need care, love and support to shine like a beautiful flower. So students, you all are getting love, affection and support from your teachers, your parents, your sisters. So dream big, have a big aim, achieve your goal. And what your parents have faith on you, achieve that. Once again, I will wish you all students happy Independence, happy Children's Day. Thank you.
So, for your inspiring message and blessings. Today is a double celebration. Along with Children's Day, we are also celebrating the birthday of our beloved principal, Vasuraj Kademani sir. Your dedication, kindness and leadership inspires us every day. I take this opportunity to thank on behalf of entire school, KLE School Sankeshwar, that we are blessed to have such a wonderful educator. Thank you sir of being our motivator. I kindly request all of you to wish Prithviraj brother and our beloved principal sir to wish on their special day.
Sanities, school attention. School sanities, school attention. School sanities, school attention.
जन्मदिनविदं अयप्रियसखे शङ्खमूर्ते सर्वदा मुदं प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी ईश्वरः सदा त्वं च रक्षतु पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्चया जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकम्. We wish you a very happy birthday, sir. May the year ahead be filled with good health, success and happiness. Everything must come to an end, but gratitude makes every end beautiful. I invite Sri Dachimte of grade 6 to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning to one and all present here. It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this wonderful occasion. My sincere thanks to our principal, Mr. Vasuraj Kademani sir, for your constant encouragement and support. Thank you, sir. I also express my gratitude to all teachers who work tirelessly to make this program successful. Thank you, educators. A special thanks to all my mates whose enthusiasm and performances added charm to today's function. Finally, I take this opportunity to thank everyone once again for your valuable presence and cooperation. Thank you all. Have a great day.
So gracefully with that. Thank you everyone, and once again I would like to wish Happy Children's Day on behalf of all my teachers.